Let's discuss on types of business communication, and just we'll see how best we can discuss of these things now. It's a small video of 5 minutes. Business communication lo types ఏంటి దానిపై we'll have a 5 minutes video. We are 11 in number altogether. I think most of you are present. Any doubts? Shall I continue my class? Any doubts for you?
No, sir.
No, let's go ahead with this. This is a 5 minutes video. Just go through it. Audio and share అవుతుందో లేదో కూడా చెప్పండి ఒకసారి ఆన్ అయ్యాక.
This communication, for example, internal, external, upward, downward. So we will discuss them one by one. So let's start with the names. One way of communication, two-way, verbal, which includes oral and written, non-verbal, formal and informal, upward, downward, lateral, interpersonal, intrapersonal, organizational, and mass communication. One-way communication involves the transfer of information in one direction only from the sender to receiver. There is no opportunity for receiver to give feedback to the sender. For example, weather report on television, newspaper, recorded music on the CD, billboards, messages, and many more. Two-way communication is a form of transmission in which both parties involved transmit information. Two-way communication has also been referred to as interpersonal communication, for example, chat rooms and instant messages, telephone conversation, classroom lectures. Then we have verbal communication. In this type of communication, the professional uses language as a vehicle of communication. Oral communication, a face-to-face interaction between the sender and the receiver, for example, making presentation and appearing for interview. Written communication, the sender uses the written mode to transmit his or her messages, for example, writing reports and emails. Then we have non-verbal communication. When a message is communicated without using a word, the process requires non-verbal cues to be transmitted and received. For example, facial expression, posture, eye contact, walk, person voice, sign language, body language, volume, pitch, voice modulation,
Is it clear to you? Could you able to follow this? There are only 6 members present. Verbal and non-verbal communication. This is already dealt in your first class, first semester also. This is a formal this thing. When they are asked to write of communication, you have to write the 4 important aspects of communication. And these are the importance you have to elaborate. Okasari idi vinte meeku clear ga. It will be very interesting and same thing.
communication includes both verbal and non-verbal forms.
Yes, sir.
Formal communication takes place through the formal channel of the
Formal communication
organization
అంటే it doesn't need any
along the lines of
recording.
authority established by
జాగ్రత్తగా
the
మనం
management.
మాట్లాడుకునేది formal.
Such communication are generally in writing and may take any of the forms: policy manual, procedure and rule book, memorandum, official meeting reports, and many more. Informal communication arising out of all those channels of communication.
Is the screen being shared for you? Screen కనిపిస్తుందా అందరికి? Formal communication, informal communication గురించి చెప్తున్నా screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
Yes, sir.
Official meeting reports, and many more. Informal communication arising out of all those channels of communication that fall outside the formal channel is known as informal communication. Informal communication does not follow lines of authority, as is the case of formal communication. Such communication is usually oral and may be covered even by simple.
Here you can see some of the words which are being used. Informal communication does not follow the rules of authority. Authority means the hierarchy of the company. Company కానీ ఏదైనా బిజినెస్ లో ఇన్ఫార్మల్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ అంటే మనం పెచ్చా పార్టీ మాట్లాడుకుంటా ఉంటారు చూసారా, దట్స్ కాల్డ్ ఇన్ఫార్మల్ కమ్యూనికేషన్. ఇట్ డజంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ ఆథెంటిసిటీ. మనం కౌర్లు చెప్పుకునే కౌర్లన్నీ కూడా ఇన్ఫార్మల్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ అన్నమాట. ఫార్మల్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ ఫార్మల్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ బిజినెస్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ వచ్చేసరికి some of the informal communication can't be taken into consideration. As the main important గా తీసుకోకూడదు. But ideas develop on this informal communication will form into a formal communication. That you have to be very you seriously observe that point, whereas only informal communication leads to a formal communication, whereas ultimate formal communication leads to a written communication. Written communication అయిన తర్వాత it becomes something ఒకదంతా అలాగ దాన్ని డెవలప్ అవుతుంది. సో ఎప్పుడైనా ఐడియా పుట్టినప్పుడు ఐడియా విల్ కమ్ ఫ్రమ్ అన్ ఇన్ఫార్మల్ కమ్యూనికేషన్. యాజ్ ఎ స్టూడెంట్ ఆఫ్ యోర్స్ యూ విల్ బి హ్యావింగ్ బిజినెస్ మార్కెట్లోకి వెళ్ళేసరికి యూ విల్ బి సీయింగ్ డిఫరెంట్ థింగ్స్. అప్పుడు ఒక ఇన్ఫార్మల్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ యూ విల్ బి టాకింగ్ విత్ పీపుల్, యూ విల్ బి టాకింగ్ విత్ యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అండ్ ఆల్. లైక్వైజ్ you will get wonderful information to you, whereas it will be just informal communication. That's what informal communication.
Simple glance, gesture, or smile or silence. These examples include talking with friends or family members. All these are included in the informal communication. Then we have grapevine communication. It is an informal type of communication and is called so because it stretches throughout the organization in all directions, irrespective of the authority level. It exists more at lower levels of organization, thus grapevine spreads like fire and it is not easy to trace the cause of such communication at times. Then we have upward communication. Upward communication is the process of information flowing from the lower levels of a hierarchy to the upper levels. The function of upward communication is to send information, suggestions, complaints, and grievances of the lower level workers to the managers above. Downward communication is the first place flows downward. All information in this medium is usually in the form of instruction, direction, and orders. This direction of communication strengthens the authoritative structure in the organization. It is the opposite of the upward communication. Lateral or horizontal communication. This type of communication takes place between persons at the same level or working under the same executive. The main use of this is to maintain coordination and review activities assigned to various subordinates. Interpersonal communication is an exchange of information between two or more people. It is the process by which people exchange information, feeling, and meaning through verbal and non-verbal messages. Intrapersonal, it is the communication which takes place within one's own self. This implies individual reflection, contemplation, and meditation. Organizational communication, a process by which activities of a society are collected and coordinated to reach the goal of the both individual and the collective group. It is subfield of general communication studies and is often a component of effective management in a workplace environment. The last is the mass communication. It is a means of conveying messages to an entire populace. This is generally identified with tools of modern mass media, which includes books, the press, cinema, television, radio, internet. It also includes speeches delivered by leaders to a large audience. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys understand. If you have any question and any confusion, please comment below.
So I think you have just watching this video. So formal communication, and this is the types of business communication. This is an example which I have been discussing on this business communication. Where in a business communications, you have to be very careful. We'll enter into business at one point of time or the other point of time, we'll be entering into a business communication. Likewise, this is how you have to communicate with part of your business communication. This is a small video for you in this class, and we'll be sharing this video for you, and you can I will be uploading this for you, and you can understand it in the later part also. This thing. Hello. See, we had this small video with this self-explanatory of business communication with the formal, informal, and interpersonal personal communication. So దీనికి నోట్స్ కూడా వస్తాయి. నోట్స్ ఫార్వర్డ్ చేస్తే మీకు ఈజీగా అర్థం అవుతుంది. దీని వీడియో కూడా ఫార్వర్డ్ చేస్తాను. ఇక్కడ నెట్ కొంచెం డిస్టర్బ్డ్గా ఉండడం వల్ల మీటింగ్ కట్ అయిపోతుంది కాబట్టి. So I'll be ending from my side.
Sir, video padtara?
Video already మీకు పంపిస్తానమ్మా. That video will be sent to you.
గ్రూప్ లో పెడతారులే.
లింక్ పంపిస్తాను, లింక్
అవునా?
రికార్డ్ చేసినంత లింక్ పంపిస్తాను.
ఓకే సార్. నువ్వు ఉన్నావు కదా పంపించడానికి.
అనుకున్నానే.
నువ్వు పెడతావు ఎందుకంటే నువ్వు పెడతావు నాకు తెలుసు. నువ్వు పెడతావు నన్ను పెడతావు.
నాకు నెట్ స్లోగా ఉంది కాబట్టి నేను బయటకు వస్తున్నాను, మీరు కంటిన్యూ అవ్వండి అమ్మా. వీడియో విల్ బి సెంట్ టు యూ. ఓకే
ఓకే సార్.